Good morning, children. Now we are going to do few problems of inverse proportion also, children. Okay, so selected problems we will do based on inverse proportion and we will finish this chapter. Okay, now exercise 10.2 is observe the following tables and find which pair of variables x and y are in inverse proportion. Now values of x's are given here, value of y's are given here. Okay, now we have to mark it as, this one will be x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4. Okay, now the formula for inverse proportion, we will quickly recap the formula of direct proportion. For direct proportionality, x by y is constant, so x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. But in inverse proportion, xy is equal to x into y is constant, that is x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2, and the formula used is x1 by x2 is equal to y2 by y1. Okay, now this formula, based on this formula we will solve this. Now first we will compare x1 y1 and x2 y2. x1 is 50, x2 is 40, y1 is 5 and y2 is 6. According to the formula of inverse proportion, 50 by 40 is it equal to y2, that means 6 by 5. If you will cancel 0 0, 5 by 4, it is not equal to 6 by 5, so it is not inversely proportion. Okay, second one, now we will do x1 by x1 by, we will compare this and this columns. Okay, so x1 by x3 is equal to y3 by y1 when we are considering these two columns, children. Okay, so x1 is 50 and x3 is 30, y1 is 5 and y3 is 7. So according to the formula, 50 by 30 is it equal to 7 by 5. 0 0 cancel, 5 by 3 is not equal to 7 by 5. Therefore, it is not inversely proportion. Okay, now third one is also there. Third one is x1 by x4 is equal to y4 by y1. Here x1 is 50, x4 is 20. x1 is 50 and x4 is 20. Okay, y1 is 5, y1 is 5 and y4 is 8. y4 is 8. So according to the problem, 50 by 20 is it equal to 8 by 5. 0 0 cancel, 5 by 2 is not equal to 8 by 5. Therefore, it is not inversely proportion. So in this way we have completed one table comparing the first column with second, then first column with third, then first column with fourth. Okay, so the whole box, the pair of variables x, y are not inversely proportional. Okay, now we will try the second box. Now in the second box, first one will give them names like x1, this is x1, x2, x3, x4, this is y1, y2, y3, y4, and we will compare. Okay, now the first one is what is the formula we are using? X1 by x2 is equal to y2 by y1. Here x1 is 100 and x2 is 200 and y1 is 60 and y2 is 30. So according to the problem, 100 by 200, it is equal to y2 means 30 by 60. 0 0 cancel, 1s are 2s are 0 0 0 0, 1 by 2 1 by 2, both are equal. So it is inversely proportional. Okay, next we will compare this and this. We will compare x1 by x3 is equal to y3 by y1. Here x1 is 100 and x3 is 300. y1 is 60 and y3 is 20. So according to the formula, x1 by x3 is equal to y3 by y1. That is 100 by 300 is it equal to 20 by 60. 0 0 cancel, 1s are 3s are 0 0 0 0. 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore it is inversely proportional. Okay, third one is, in third one, x1 by x4 is equal to y4 by y1. x1, x4, y1, y4 values. x1 is 100, x4 is 400. Here 100, here 400. y1 is 60 and y4 is 15. So the formula, according to the formula, 100 by 400 is it equal to 15 by 60. 15 ones are 4s are, 100 ones are 4s are. So therefore it is inversely proportional. Okay, third box, this one you have to do it for homework. You have to give them names as x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6. Here y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6, and compare x1 y1 with x2 y2, then x1 y1, x3 y3, x1 y1, x4 y4, x1 y1, x5 y5, x1 y1, x6 y6. Okay, you have to do this one as homework. Next is, a school wants to spend rupees 6,000 to purchase books. The budget of the school is 6,000 rupees, children. Okay, now using this data, fill the following table. Now if they are purchasing a book of 40 rupees, they will be able to purchase how many books? Number of books that can be purchased is 150. If they are purchasing each book of 50 rupees, you have to find out how many books they can purchase. Like that, in some cases X's are missing, in some cases Y are missing. So if the price of the book will increase, the price of the book will increase, the number of books will decrease. So this sum is based on inverse proportion. So we will apply the formula for inverse proportion. First we will give them names, like this one will be x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. This one will be y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. Okay. Now we will solve comparing first with second, then one with 3, one with 4, one with 5. Now the first question is x1 by x2 is equal to y2 by y1. Here x1 is 40 and x2 is 50. y1 is 150 and y2 is missing. So 40 by 50 is equal to y2 by 150. We have to find the value of y2. That means y2 is equal to 40 into 150, and 50 will go here, it will come down here. 0 0 cancel, 5 1s are 5, 3s are 15. So y2 is equal to 40 into 3 means 4 3s are 12, with 1 0, 120. If we are going to purchase each book of 50 rupees, then how many number of books that can be purchased is equal to 120. Okay children. Next, second one, x1 by x3 is equal to y3 by y1. Here x1 is 40, x3 is missing, and y1 is 150 and y3 is 100. So the formula is, here we will continue, 40 by x3 is equal to 100 by 150. So 40 into 150 is equal to 100 into x3. We have to make x3 alone. So here comes 40 into 150, 100 will go down. This 0 get cancelled, this 0 get cancelled. So 4 into 15. If we are buying, if the number of books are 100, then the price of each book will be 60 rupees children. Okay. Then third one, we have to write x1, 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 x4, y1, y4. Okay. x1 is 40, x4 is 75. x1 is 40, y4 is 75. y1 is 150, y4 you have to find out. 150, y4 you have to find out. So again, according to the formula, x1 by x4 is equal to y4 by y1. So 40 by 75 is equal to, y4 is missing, by 150. So y4 into 75 is equal to 40 into 150. y4 is equal to 40 into 150. 75 will come down. 75 ones are 75. 75 2 times is 150. So 40 into 2, y4 is equal to 80. So if the price of each book is 75, then we will be able to buy 80 number of books can be purchased. Okay, like that. X1 is fourth one, X1 is 40, Y1 is 150, X5, Y5. What is the value of X5 missing? Y5 is 75. This is 75 and this is missing. So X1 by X5 is equal to Y5 by Y1, that is 40 by X5 is equal to 75 by 150. So 40 into 150 is equal to X5 into 75. We will make X5 alone. So on the other side you have 40 into 150. The 75 will go down. 1s are 2s are. So 40 into 2, 80. 80. So if the price of book is 80 rupees, number of books that can be purchased is 75. Okay. So this all for today. See you for the next session. Thank you.